Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hakeem by Hilmy and my metric number is 241315. In our group assignment regarding positive and negative impacts on modern technology on mental, my primary contribution focus on two critical areas. First is negative impact of technology on mental development, and second is solution to the problem. So today I will walk you through the research I conduct and the conclusion I drew to help our group understand how technology affects the mind and how we can mitigate those risks. For the first part of my contribution, I investigate how technology specifically hurts cognitive growth. I integrate the finding of Masrizada et al. 2025 in our report. My research highlight the startling statistic: children spending over 3 hours a day on screen score significantly lower in cognition, averaging 82 points compared to 99 in regular group. I focus on this show that screen time isn't just a habit, it's a development risk. I also contribute an analysis of impulse control. I explore how digital platforms provide immediate gratification, which does our brain resistant to temptation. To add a unique perspective to our assignment, I connect this physiological finding to the Islamic concept of jihad al-nafs. I urge that mobile addiction is essentially a modern struggle against the nafs, which is the ego, which commands us to follow mere impulse. And finally, I documented the link between technology and sleep deprivation, explaining how the loss of 7 to 9 hours of rest leads to memory issue and decreased academic performance. So, moving to the second half of my contribution, I developed a framework for solving this problem. I didn't want our report to just state the problem. I want to provide a roadmap for recovery. First, I researched digital health literacy. Citing Colliho et al. 2025, I propose that we must filter our development digital environment. My contribution suggests that users should actively use platform tools like the not interested button to ignore absorb content and focus on beneficial information. Secondly, I wrote the section on parental boundaries. I emphasize that parents should move away from just restricting and move toward building trust. I urge that open communication is the main element in building a harmonious family that can survive the digital age. Lastly, I synthesize a faith-based response based on the work of Nawaz and Hamid 2025. I propose that the most effective way to reverse digital dependency is the ritual of substitution. This means deliberately replacing scrolling time with zikir, Quran recitation, and introspection. To wrap up my contribution, I utilize Surah Al-Ard, verse 28 to provide a spiritual conclusion to our project. I wanted to remind our readers that while technology offers worldly distraction, only the remembrance of Allah provides the rest our heart actually seek. By researching these specific impacts and solutions, I aim to provide our group with a balanced view that combines modern physiological data with our religious values. Thank you for watching my presentation on my contribution to the project. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.